Hello, my friend. Welcome to the channel Ads with Lovnik. Today, I will share one simple but powerful strategy for responsive search ads (RSA) that will help you get results faster, especially if you're working with a small or limited budget. Now we all know that Google Ads RSA allow us to add 15 headlines for description, right? So we have option to add up to 50 headlines over here and then for description. The logic sounds great. More option, better combination and more testing is equal to better results, right? But here is the catch. When you add all these 15 headlines and the 4 description, Google now has thousands of possible combination to test. And when you are spending a limited budget, testing all of these combination could take days and even weeks to reach meaningful conclusion, combinations that are driving results, right? So here is the strategy I personally use and would like to recommend to all of you when you are running small budget or speed focused campaigns in which you want results quickly. So instead of adding all of these 15 headlines, I would recommend you to add just 4 to 5 headlines. And instead of adding 4 description, I just want you to add 2 description. That is it. Why? So basically what happens here is that you are giving Google fewer combination to test, which means the learning phase completes faster. Google finds your best performing headline and the description pair quicker, and you start getting consistent results much sooner. So this case scenario is especially useful if you are launching a new campaign, you have a limited daily budget, or you are running short-term promotional campaigns where speed matters more than the deep optimization. For longer term campaigns, you can still go with the 15 headline combination and the 4 description and let Google take time to find the best combination for you. But let's say if your campaign falls under these three use case, then you can surely give a try to this strategy. So basically what I do is I choose my 4 to 5 strongest headlines, and I make sure that they include primary keyword, brand or USP related stuff, trust building terms like 1000 plus happy customers, and call to action like book now or try for free or book a call, whatever is suitable for your business. Then I write two clear descriptions, highly converting descriptions, one focused on the offer and the second focused on the benefits or urgency. You can also follow the same approach for the headlines. You can mention your experience, expertise, authority, and trust to get a good, highly converting ad. And for the description, you can write it offer driven and benefit driven, and to build urgency you can add some keywords like limited time offer or something like that, whichever is suitable as per your business. This limited set gives Google a clean manageable testing playground, and trust me, this is not a hack. This is a how machine learning works. When you overload the system with too many inputs, 15 headlines, 4 description, you dilute your performance because Google takes longer to gather data per combination, right? Think about it. Let's say if we add 15 headlines, 4 description, so now Google can make over 43,000 unique combination with 5 headlines and 2 descriptions. We reduce that to just 90 combination. Much easier, much faster optimization. So once you start seeing with your result with limited RSA headlines and description, you can slowly add more headlines. But let's say if your use case is that you want to run the campaign for a short term, let's say it is a sales specific campaign, then you don't need that. And if you are but if you are working on a smaller budget, then surely you can give it a try, and then you can eventually add 1 or 2 headlines, a weekly or whatever, however it may work for you. but do it incrementally, not all at once, right? Also use pinning carefully. If you want a specific headline always to appear in position 1, like your main keyword, you can pin it there. You just you just don't overpin everything. You can mark one or two headline from here, right? And let Google test some freedom too. So if your Google ads aren't delivering results fast enough, try this RSA strategy. And I hope this video added some value, and take care. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.